Tea time. Cersei, me man donkey weed. That my time. Welcome my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another great video. This is called Tea Time with Lady Let's. It is time for us to take that journey to see what we can find in Jamaica to make some Jamaican bush tea. Let's go. Have you ever come across this plant before? It is known as the Chinese thyme, the broadleaf thyme, and the Spanish thyme here in Jamaica. The broadleaf thyme is very popular here in Jamaica. It is used in rice and peas, soups, meats, and it's also used as a cup of tea. The leaves has a strong aroma practically when handled by hand. Here are the health benefits. Fights cold, flu, and fever. Help with shortness of breath and asthma. Constipation. Headaches. It also reduces stress and anxiety. Enhances the kidney health. Oh yes, it provides vitamin C and A.
No, as to me know, so they use it as Chinese time.
Mm-hmm.
You can smell it.
Mm-hmm.
But you can say you can boil tea and you can go now. You can do a soup. And somebody tell me say you good for sharpness. So
Oh.
I say me can have me a place to plant it. So me just get one little piece just like this.
Mm-hmm.
And me just stick it in there.
Okay, so are you have sharpness?
No, son, no,
See, the
just
scare if you help somebody.
yeah.
Good Samaritan. So guys, let me show you how I make my tea. Yes, I'm using 3 leaves as you may see, and I am rinsing my leaves off before I place them in my mug. So you know I have to rinse properly. Rinse, 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 rinse. Cause you know that a lot of stuff are in the atmosphere and I don't want that, to consume that. So I'm rinsing. Do you rinse your leaf, guys? Then I'm gonna place it in my mug right there, and I am gonna pour my hot water on my leaves. That's aroma. So, guys, I'm gonna leave it to steam in this mug for 3 minutes, and I'm gonna use sugar to sweeten later. But, guys, you can use honey or sugar or whatever you choose to use. There you have it, guys. So that's how I make my broadleaf thyme tea. See the color changing? That's what I like. Green tea.
Drink up, natural herbs pouring a my cup. Bush good for your blood and hiccup. Yeah, that's a tea time with Lacey and
It is time for meditation. Our meditation for today comes from Ecclesiastic 5 verse 10. He that loves silver shall not be satisfied with silver, nor he that loveth abundance with increase. This is also vanity. How much do you love money? All things was created to us by God. Did you stop to say, Lord, I thank you? Did you know that that is our responsibility? It is our duty to continue to love God and His Word that is in the Bible. It is because of the influence of the world. Some of us Christians have been lowered into loving money more than the things of God. Ecclesiastic 5 verse 10 remind us that the love for money will not bring us any satisfaction, but rather lead us to all manner of evil. It is for us to love God with all of our heart, and in God will, oh yes, He will pour His abundance into our lives. The love for money has been the root of all manner of evil under the sun. Armed robbery, lies, corruption, you name it. My YouTube friends and families, let us try to keep our hearts pure for God to use us to bless others. The life we bless today will bless someone else tomorrow. Because it's not everyone you bless will bless you, but they will bless your generation. You will see. Don't allow money to take away the precious time you have to spend with your God. My friends and family, thanks for listening to meditation.
tea
The tea time shoutout goes to On Cloud Lindsay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching Tea Time. Guys, they too have a YouTube channel. Go ahead and support them. Fun, fun, fun. Thanks for watching. Please remember to share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. God bless you.